This is my old phone, Samsung Discover. Has a firmware problem. Slowest phone I've ever had since I've had a smartphone. Matter of fact, I think my old Razr was smarter than this phone. It didn't even know how to spell. Anyways, it is going to be destroyed today. First things first, we'll see how it handles. Not bad. That. Now let's do this. Oh, lost the case, but that was about it. Do our own stupid little review. Alright. Pop it all back together. Good to go. Has no go, no juice. Oh, wait, trying to go back on. It's a Samsung, poor thing. But it's going to meet the Vice, but not like most would think the Vice would be for. This phone will meet its demise with this hammer. Yeah, look, fully came on. So, without further ado, here we go. Ooh, didn't do much. Dented though on the first hit. Broke up through the top. Go ahead and give her a whack again. Whoops, you missed it. Sorry. Yeah, not surviving. Okay, so that's what its new OS update looks like. And the battery's over here. It also got smashed. Pretty bumpy now. So that's cool. Fix the phone. A couple hits to the head. Phone won't focus. There we go. It's now in the what you call custom mouthpiece curve design. You know, so that way it's easier to put up to your face. Hold on to it. You're like, yeah, okay, now I can definitely hear you, right? So, oh, look, and it looks like it